This training video is on selecting the technology area, platform family, product family, business portfolio family for your projects using Clarity. What you need to know for these areas are, first, the technology area is associated with all the different business units. There's a current list here on the right-hand side which shows all the different possible technology areas that can be selected. For this training video, I will use the IoT as the technology area. In addition, you also need to make sure you fill in the organization as CSG, CHG. For the platform family, there will be 6 pages of options to choose from. These are independent of the technology area, so you will need to be able to select no matter which technology area you choose. For IoT, I'm choosing IoT-utility, and by knowing this, it'll make it easier for me to do a search for the platform family. So in this training video, I will use the IoT-utility as the platform family. There will be 13 pages for the product family options to choose from. Therefore, you can actually use a filter on the product family by inputting the platform family into the filter section, and that will make the product family easier to find. For IoT, here are the main product families for each of the platform families. The technology area and the platform family are fairly straightforward and usually easy to determine for each project. However, the product family may be harder to determine, and it is a good idea to work with marketing and get this information for the product families before you create the project. However, if you don't know the information at the creation of the project, you can use your best judgment, as these fields can be updated later. In this training video, I will use CGR 1000 as the product family. The business portfolio family will have 5 pages of options to choose from. There is no filter for this search, so therefore it is a good idea to know the business portfolio family information before creating the project. However, if you do not know the business portfolio family, you can use your best judgment, as this field can be updated later. For this training video, I will use IoT routing as the business portfolio family. And from the table below, you can see I highlighted the tech area, the platform family, the product family, and then the business portfolio family that I'm going to use. Let's go to Clarity, and we can see how these fields are updated. So the first thing you need to do is get your project up and loaded, either created and that so that you can start it. This information is on the General tab under the Properties for the program. All the information that you need is on this right-hand side here. So the first thing is the organization, should be CSG, CHG. Then you can go to the technology area, and as we showed before, here's the list of technology areas, and I would choose IoT for this section. Next is the platform family, and as you can see, there are 6 pages here. Since I am going to use the IoT-utility, it's a lot easier to just search and get a smaller list, which you can add. The product family has 13 pages, which gets to be very hard to decide which one you're using. So if you can filter on your platform family, it becomes a lot simpler and making it just so easy to select the CGR 1000. And then as the business portfolio family, I also know that it's IoT-routing, so if I filter on that, it comes up with only 3 options and makes it very easy to select. So as you can see, if you know the technology area, platform family, product family, and business portfolio family, it becomes fairly straightforward to fill this out when you're creating the project. However, if there has to be something selected for each of those 4 areas in order to create the project. Otherwise, it will not let you create it. Hopefully, this is helpful in filling out these technology areas and getting the information up front to make this a quicker process. Thank you.